last day of the week, and today you're learning why French people speak so fast to get a chance to understand them. Maybe you've realized in the past videos that I said samedi, des animaux de compagnie. And there's a letter I'm not pronouncing. It's the I, that is technically E in French. You have to realize most French people don't pronounce half of the E in sentences. Here's the thing about the E. At the end of a word, it is never pronounced except if it's a one-syllable word, like le, de, me, then it's supposed to be pronounced. But when it's a normal word, like j'aime, l'escalade, si, I don't pronounce it. The last sound you hear is the consonant, so I don't pronounce it. For the officially pronounced ones, in the middle of words or at the end of one-syllable words, we pronounce half of them just to go faster. It's random, it's not always the same, but we just cut them. The main one disappearing is the one from je, I. Obviously, it's supposed to disappear only orally, except in words like j'aime, where it disappears with an apostrophe written as well, because the next letter is a vowel. That's different. But we do remove half of them still, orally. Example, je suis. I'm gonna say a sentence fast, and then I'm gonna tell you slowly, so you get it. Je suis sûre que c'est pas ça. Right now you're thinking, I'm never gonna understand French. Yes, you will. You need to listen to a lot of stuff and get used to it. But what I just said, je suis sûre que c'est pas ça, is je suis sûre que c'est pas ça. Actually, I even removed the ne, because it should be je suis sûre que ce n'est pas ça. I'm sure that's not it. I'm sure that's not that. I removed the E from je and the E from que. The thing is, written French and spoken French are very different. So you need to understand a little bit how it works. So you actually can make up what people are saying and translate it written in your head. A lot of letters are not pronounced. You know the E already, but we also have the S, T, D. At the end of words, we almost never pronounce them. You can remember them with STD, STDE. In verbs we've seen, for example, tu aimes, there is an S at the end. I don't pronounce it. The I neither. Il vient, I'm not pronouncing the T, right? Il vient. There are some exceptions, mostly words that actually come from English, like le foot. I'm pronouncing the T. Another way we use to speak very fast is actually adding sounds before vowels to link two words. For example, you've seen nous avons. We have. Normally, nous avons. But because the S is not pronounced right, but because it's a vowel after, I'm gonna add a Z sound in between. Nous avons. Same for ils ont. Normally it's ils ont. But I'm gonna always do that, which is called une liaison. I'm gonna do la liaison and say ils ont. They have. Not to confuse with ils sont. Ils ont, ils sont. The difference is z, s. Last one that you've seen, on a. On a. Normally it should be on, a. But same, it's a vowel, the a, so we want to make it easier to say, and we add an n sound in between. On a, we have. Then slowly, little by little, you will realize what letters go together to make a sound. O-N makes on together, like you've just seen. But there are a lot of others we'll see along the way. Conclusion. We speak fast because we remove half the sounds and we add some of them in front of vowels just to link everything. Do you know what je sais pas means? Je ne sais pas is the biggest example. We say je sais pas because we remove the ne, then we just remove the e from je and we say je sais pas, Yes. So here's your question for today. I'm gonna tell you a sentence and you're gonna have to try to guess what it means. Je suis française et je parle 4 langues.